We all have incredible potential within us, waiting to be unleashed. One of the most remarkable abilities our bodies possess is the capacity for muscle growth. Understanding how muscle growth works can empower you to reach your fitness goals. Whether you're an athlete striving for peak performance or someone looking to improve their overall health, the principles of muscle growth apply to everyone. This knowledge is not just about aesthetics, although building a strong physique can be a fantastic outcome. It's about unlocking your body's ability to adapt, grow stronger, and become more resilient. So let's delve into the fascinating world of muscle growth, exploring the key processes of protein synthesis and hypertrophy, and how you can harness them to achieve your fitness aspirations. Imagine your muscles like a brick wall, and protein as the individual bricks. Protein synthesis is the process of laying those bricks, building your muscles bigger and stronger. Every time you use your muscles, whether through weightlifting or daily activities, tiny tears occur in the muscle fibers. This is a natural part of the process. Protein synthesis steps in to repair these micro tears, using the protein you consume through your diet as building blocks. As these repairs are made, your muscles become slightly larger and more resilient. This continuous cycle of damage, repair, and growth is the foundation of muscle adaptation. Understanding protein synthesis is key to unlocking your muscle-building potential. Hypertrophy is the scientific term for muscle growth. It occurs when the rate of muscle protein synthesis exceeds the rate of muscle protein breakdown. Think of it like a balance scale. On one side, we have protein synthesis building up the muscles, and on the other side, protein breakdown. When synthesis outweighs breakdown, hypertrophy occurs and your muscles grow. Factors like exercise, nutrition, and rest all play a crucial role in influencing this balance. By optimizing these factors, you can tip the scales in favor of muscle growth and unlock your full potential. Remember, muscle growth is a gradual process that requires consistency and patience. Stay committed to your goals, and you'll reap the rewards of your hard work. Exercise, particularly strength training, is the spark that ignites the muscle-building process. When you lift weights or engage in resistance exercises, you're creating those microscopic tears in your muscle fibers that we discussed earlier. This mechanical stress signals to your body that it needs to adapt and become stronger to handle the demands you're placing upon it. This is where protein synthesis comes into play, repairing and rebuilding those fibers to be more resilient. The type, intensity, and volume of exercise you engage in all influence the degree of muscle growth you experience. It's important to challenge yourself progressively, gradually increasing the weight or resistance as you get stronger. Remember, consistency is key. Make exercise a regular part of your routine and your muscles will respond accordingly. Section 5. Fueling the fire nutrition for optimal muscle growth. You wouldn't expect a car to run without fuel, and your body is no different. Nutrition plays a vital role in supporting muscle growth by providing the building blocks for protein synthesis. Protein, as we've discussed, is essential for repairing and rebuilding muscle tissue. Aim to consume a source of protein with each meal and snack, choosing from options like lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, lentils, tofu, and dairy products. Carbohydrates provide your body with the energy it needs to power through workouts and support the recovery process. Opt for complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, which provide sustained energy and essential nutrients. Don't forget about healthy fats, which play a role in hormone production and overall health. Include sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil in your diet. Section 6. Consistency is key, the power of persistence. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are strong, healthy muscles. Muscle growth is a journey that requires consistency, patience, and a belief in yourself. There will be days when you're tired, unmotivated, or tempted to skip a workout. It's during these times that it's most important to dig deep and remind yourself of your goals. Remember why you started this journey in the first place. Visualize the positive changes you're striving for and let that fuel your determination. Every workout, Every healthy meal, every step you take towards your goals is a victory. Celebrate your progress no matter how small it may seem. Section 7. Embrace the journey, celebrating every milestone. The journey of muscle growth is not just about the end result, it's about the process itself. It's about pushing your limits, discovering your inner strength, and becoming the best version of yourself. Embrace the challenges and setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. Listen to your body, adjust your approach when needed, and never be afraid to ask for support when you need it. Surround yourself with a positive and encouraging community, whether it's friends, family, or fellow fitness enthusiasts. Share your journey, celebrate each other's successes, and lift each other up when times get tough. Remember, progress is not always linear. There will be ups and downs along the way, but it's the overall trajectory that matters. Stay focused on your goals and enjoy the ride. Section 8. Unleash your potential, building a stronger, healthier you. You have the power within you to achieve incredible things. Armed with the knowledge of protein synthesis, hypertrophy, and the importance of exercise and nutrition, you can unlock your muscle-building potential and transform your physique. Remember that this journey is about more than just aesthetics. It's about improving your health, boosting your confidence, and living a more fulfilling life. As you embark on this exciting journey of growth and transformation, remember these key principles. Challenge your muscles through exercise, nourish your body with the right nutrients, prioritize rest and recovery, and most importantly, believe in yourself. The potential within you is limitless. Go out there, unleash your inner strength, and build a stronger, healthier, and more empowered you.